Good morning, everybody. I have the great privilege of proposing this vote of thanks on behalf of Department of Science and Technology, National Spatial Data Infrastructure, Indraprastha University, Department of Information Technology, as well as the e-governance. I had the proud privilege of serving with General Vij when he was the Director General of Military Operations, and he has, since those days, I remember, he had nurtured the ideas of using ICT in a big way. His active involvement has been helpful in nurturing the modernization of military survey, and for most of you may not be aware, the excellent GIS with all the attributes is available only with the Indian Army, with the military survey. So it is all due to your efforts at that time. I thank General Vij, who could be here with us in spite of the busy schedule. He has to immediately rush to another meeting, as he has already said. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation. I thank Mr. Savitur Prasad. We had been working together on the Delhi project. Probably you will spare some other day more time to us so that we can talk more about it. And it is not only about the ICT. He had been involved with the, not only with the government of Delhi's IT, he has been involved with many of the IT projects in the Ministry of Defense also. I think we would be able to get the benefit of sharing his expertise in probably during the course of the day or maybe some other time. So thank you very much for coming and giving us the benefit of your views and ideas. Professor Amarjit Kaur has been doing human service in bringing around the expertise together and also providing them an innovative course. What she has not mentioned is the course which she runs is on the weekend basis, and it is done in more group discussion based. So most of the senior officers of the government, I can see some of our students sitting in the audience today, they will be able to tell you how the course is run. And it has been very innovative. I hope many institutions will come up like that and offer similar courses, which will spread the awareness of ICT. And as far as we are concerned, we talk about geo-ICT, as well as from e-governance, we have to translate to G-governance, because most of our activities are geospatial related. And I thank ma'am for co-sponsoring as well as addressing us. And I thank Dr. Narayanan. He had been doing a good service for the past 25 years, I know at least, for the geospatial industry in the ICT. Sir, thank you very much for being with us. And last but not the least is Ravi Gupta. In fact, many of you may not be knowing, he had just landed at 7 o'clock in the morning from his trip from Manila, so that he is here with us and conduct these proceedings of the day. And I also thank all the participants who have graciously come, and more so for Dr. Bhattacharjee, who could come and give us a gracious presence. Thank you very much.